2012 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless entry, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, keyless start, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, rear defrost, CD player, bucket seats, MP3 player, child safety locks. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.